Welcome. Today we are going to talk about the benefits of lemon water, and towards the end of the video I will also talk about two side effects of lemon water. So let's get started, but before that I do request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. So the first benefit of lemon water is that it is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C has many benefits for the body, and one of those benefits is the benefit for our skin health, because vitamin C plays a role in collagen production. Collagen is important for our skin health, and therefore lemon water can boost skin health. The second benefit of vitamin C is that it plays an important role in immune function. So it can help us be healthier and stronger as well. And the third benefit of vitamin C is iron absorption. It's okay to take iron, but to absorb the iron, vitamin C can play an important role. Now, the second benefit of lemon water is that it can aid digestion, and this is because lemon helps in the secretion of gastric acid. Our stomach has acid, and in order to digest food we need that acid, and what lemon does is that it helps in gastric secretion of the acid, thereby improving and aiding digestion. The third benefit of lemon water is that it has potassium as well. Potassium is important for the body. It has numerous functions, right from maintaining fluid levels that can play a role in blood pressure to the functioning of our cells. It's an extremely important thing for the body, and lemon water is a good source of potassium. So these are the three benefits of drinking lemon water: vitamin C, potassium, and digestion. Now let's talk about some things that might not be the best when it comes to lemon water. The first thing is that if you are someone who's highly acidic, it's best to avoid lemon water, because lemon can make that problem worse. The second thing to be mindful of is that lemon is highly acidic in nature, right? And when we consume lemon directly, it can impact our teeth. So it's very important that we use a straw, because over time the acid in lemon can affect the teeth. So just to be careful, it's best to use a straw. So this was not an exhaustive list of the benefits and side effects, but I hope it was useful, and if it was, do share this video, do like my channel, do subscribe to it, and I will see you next time. If there is a particular topic that you want me to make a video on, please feel free to share in the comment section below, and if possible I will definitely try to make that happen. So now I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.